Hello everyone, Christina here from the Glaser Tutoring Company, and today we are going to determine whether this given ordered triple is a solution to the system of equations. Now usually we talk about ordered pairs, right? Because usually we're in a 2D universe, right? We only have X and Y points for most of math, unless you get into here or upper level mathematics, like Calc 3 differential equations. But yeah. Now we're dealing with ordered triples. In this parenthesis, there's 3 letters here. When you see that, this is a 3D world. So now we're dealing with 3 dimensions. And that's called the ordered triple. So 2 dimensions is ordered pairs. 3 dimensions is ordered triples. Okay, triple. Now, just like in, 2 dimensions, you have x comma y. Now you're just adding a letter. The first letter, or the first number here, which is 4, represents x still. The second one represents y, and if we go by the alphabet, x, y, and z. So we have an x value of 4, a y value of 2, and a z value of -6. Now, a system of equations is just 2 or more equations that might have to do with one another. Here they gave us 3 beautiful equations, so this is classified as my system. Now we want to find out if this ordered triple, this x, y, and z, is a solution, which means, is this a common, site for each of these equations? Well, the only way we're going to figure it out is if we plug in these values into each equation to see if it makes mathematical sense. So maybe we'll start with the first one. 6x minus 7y plus z equals 2. Now from our numbers, right, we have 6 times x. The x value we said was 4. So 6 times 4 minus 7 times y, the y value was 2, plus the z value was a -6, and if this checks out, this should make sense, it should equal 2. Now let's see, 6 times 4 is 24, 7 times 2 is a 14, minus is a 12, so 24 minus 14. Did I say minus is a -12? I don't know what I'm doing. So minus 14, and then plus a -6 is just a -6, and this should all equal 2. So 24 minus 4 is, 24 minus 14 is a 10. 10 minus 6 equals 2. Does this make sense? 10 minus 6, what is that? 4 equals 2. And right off the bat, which is really beautiful, right off the bat, this is a big fat no. No. Right? This doesn't make any sense. 4 does not equal 2. I can just triple check on that, right? 6 times 4 is 24. Minus 7 times 2, so that's minus 14. Plus a -6, I just want to make sure that I put all the numbers in right. Yep, a 4 and a 2 and a -6, that equals 2. 24 minus 14 minus 6 equals 2. 10 minus 6, because 24 minus 14 is a 10. Yeah, I'm going to say no. And once you already have a big fat no, you got your answer. Is this a solution? No. This is not a solution. So once you find out that you have different numbers across your equal sign, that's not going to work. So you don't even have to do the rest. But if they all came out correct, like 2 equals 2, 6 equals 6, 7 equals 7, then yes, that would be a solution. But in this case, we did the first one, it didn't work out, so we already know that, oopsie, this is not going to be a solution to that pair, or to the triple. And I hope this worked. So yeah, Thank you so much for viewing the video. Subscribe to the channel. I look forward to helping you in more questions. Math is fun. I love math. It's like a puzzle. What do you guys think? Yeah. So check us out. Check the website out. My brother and I, we really do appreciate you guys, and we want to help you as much as we can. So let's keep working. Work hard, study hard, and then success will come. I'll talk to you soon. Okay. Also, I would like to give a huge shout out to Maricela. Thank you so much for being a member to the channel. Your support means a lot to my brother and me, and we're thrilled to have you be a part of this amazing community. Memberships are open on the channel, and if you want to become a member, just click that join button, which can be found below on any video if you're watching on your desktop, or it can be found on the overall channel page too. For all of you that want your name shown in the video, don't forget to choose the gold tier or higher. Thank you so much for considering, and have a great day. Talk to you in the next lesson. Bye-bye!